We're looking at a pump assembly for a Hot Point, Americana, GE dishwasher. So what we have here is, you're probably familiar with this. This is actually the cover that's inside the dishwasher. This is the filter. And we have our motor here for the pump, our capacitor for that induction motor, and we have a directional solenoid here to allow the water either go back into the dishwasher or discharge to the outside of the dishwasher. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this filter so we can see how this system actually works. Water that comes in through this port comes through the pump and back through this pipe, through this opening, back into the dishwasher to service the sprayers inside the dishwasher. So again, the wash cycle, water comes in through the pump, back out, back into the dishwasher to service the sprayers. Now, what happens when we need to drain the water out of the dishwasher? Water comes in through the pump. We have our directional solenoid that activates a flapper to close this opening so the water does not go back into the sprayers. Therefore, the water flows from under the flapper through this pipe into this diverter valve. Inside of this diverter valve, we have a 1-inch diameter ball that comes up to cover this port so the water does not go back into the dishwasher, therefore allowing the water to flow through this diverter valve to discharge to the pipe outside of the dishwasher, which commonly it's connected to the garbage disposal. So again, during the discharge cycle, we have water that comes in, goes through the pump, our solenoid activates to block the water from going back into the dishwasher, allowing the water to flow from under the flapper in through this pipe, through this diverter valve that causes a ball to rise and block this port, therefore allowing the water pressure to build up and discharge through the discharge pipe that is again commonly connected to the garbage disposal. Hope this helps.